Today, we'll walk through how to access the web form to request training officer permissions, and where to find it within the system. To begin, you must be signed in. The form is only available to users with an active account. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to access it. Once signed in, look to the left-hand menu and select Academy Resources. Within this section, you'll find a button labeled Web Form. Scroll down the page, and at the bottom, locate the Training Officer Permissions Request form. Click to open it. Inside the form, enter your supervisor's full name and email address. This is required so we can verify your department affiliation and ensure your training officer status is correctly assigned. Additionally, confirm that your primary organization is accurate. If it's incorrect or if you're requesting TO status for a different organization, let us know. We'll update it to ensure you're aligned with the correct department and can view the appropriate workforce. Once all fields are completed, click Submit. Please note, this is not an automated process. Just like when you first created your account, a staff member must manually verify and assign the appropriate permissions on the back end.